Hey, I've been thinking about improving my English skills lately. Do you have any strategies or tips on how to learn English effectively? Absolutely. There are several approaches you can take. First off, immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and try to read books or articles in English. That sounds like a good idea. I've heard about watching movies with subtitles. Do you think that helps? Definitely. Watching movies with subtitles can be very beneficial. It helps you associate spoken words with their written form and improves your understanding of pronunciation. Also, consider watching movies or TV shows multiple times to reinforce what you've learned. Got it. What about speaking practice? I find it challenging to speak fluently. Speaking practice is crucial. Try finding language exchange partners or joining language learning communities where you can converse with native speakers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, it's all part of the learning process. You could also consider using language exchange apps or online platforms. That sounds helpful. What else can I do to enhance my vocabulary? Reading regularly is a great way to build your vocabulary. Start with materials that match your current proficiency level and gradually move on to more challenging texts. Make a habit of jotting down new words and phrases, and try to use them in your conversations. Good point. And what about grammar? I always struggle with that. Grammar is essential, but it doesn't have to be boring. Incorporate grammar exercises into your routine, and use language learning apps that offer interactive grammar lessons. It's crucial to understand the basic rules, but also to see them in context through practical examples. Thanks for the tips. How do you stay motivated throughout the learning process? Setting realistic goals is key to staying motivated. Break down your language learning journey into smaller, achievable milestones. Celebrate your successes along the way, and don't get discouraged by occasional setbacks. Consistency is more important than intensity. That makes sense. I'll give these strategies a try and see how it goes. Thanks for the advice. You're welcome. Remember, learning a language is a gradual process, so be patient with yourself. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to ask. Good luck.